Today we're unboxing the Google Pixel 3 XL and discovering some of its amazing features. Let's go. There's surprisingly a lot in one small box. Altogether we have the Pixel 3 XL phone, digital earbuds, AC adapter, USB-C to C cable, quick switch adapter, and the USB-C to 3.5mm adapter. The Google Pixel 3 XL comes with either 64 gigabytes or 128 gigabytes of internal memory, both non-expandable. You can get the phone in either black or white. It uses the Android 9 Pie operating system. It's also ultra-light, weighing in at just 184 grams. That's less than half a pound. You've got a 6.3-inch OLED screen and a battery that supports up to 58 hours of music playback. And then there's the camera. The Google Pixel 3 XL comes with a 12.2 megapixel rear camera and an 8 megapixel front camera, plus zoom and video capture. Both take amazing photos with just a single lens. Experience the Google Pixel 3 XL today.